Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion Remastered crashing on your PC. Now the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is verify the game's files. I'll explain to you why we do this. First, just go ahead and right click on your game. For example, this one right here, click here on Properties and then click on Installed Files, okay? Then go ahead and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. The reason we do this is to verify that there's no corrupt files, there's no files missing that is causing issues with the crash. And then the next thing I want you to do is click here on Steam on the top left. Okay, then click on Settings. We're going to be disabling the overlays. This also causes issues with Steam, okay, and the apps crashing. All you need to do is come here, scroll down, click on Endgame. You see this Steam overlay. Make sure this option, the first one, enable Steam overlay while in game. Make sure it's toggled off. Okay, then close this and you can relaunch the game. Really that easy and simple, should fix your issue. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.